Hey, it's Gina from WTI, and if you're looking for something to make cleaning so much easier, you need to check out this little car vacuum from PUFTEM. It's so nice to be able just to grab this and pick up little crumbs so you can keep up on the dirt and dust in your car really quickly so it continues to look nice. It has two different speeds, an eco and a max speed. I've been using it mostly on max, and when I do that, the battery lasts for about 30 minutes. But it's so nice because it actually shows you on the display how much battery you have left and which setting you're on. This is so much more than just a portable car vacuum. So if you have like those little canned air things to clean out crooks and crannies or your keyboard, you don't need that with this. You simply attach the nozzle and then possibly the little brush attachment for that as well on the back side of the vacuum. Now, it's a little embarrassing because we haven't finished our floors completely and dust and other things get stuck in the cracks. Now, you can see how strong this is. It actually blew out a couple of bobby pins and a Q-tip. Gross, sorry, but it really shows how capable this is. And then I just simply flipped it over and vacuumed up the dust. So I think that was so cool, so effective for cleaning. This is also really easy to clean out, and it surprisingly holds quite a bit. So there's a little pop top. You just simply open that and kind of shake it out. You can use the brush that comes with the kit to clean out that area, or if you need to, if things are stuck inside, then you just simply twist it open, remove the filter, and then everything else comes out. And it's very easy to put back together again. This is so convenient, so effective. I absolutely love having it, and that's my point of view.